So next we have our alumni from Kasetsart universities. May I invite Ms. Song Khet to present about short-term sun coverage prediction using cloud movement pattern featured in PV system. Please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sung Kawi. I'm an alumnus student of AIoT program from TAIST-Science. I hold a Master of Engineering in Artificial Intelligence and Internet of Things at Kasetsart University. Today, I'll be sharing about the insights from my master journey, including what I have learned during master degree, and most importantly, I will share about how I transitioned from being an international student to building a successful career, professional career in Thailand. So let's begin. Before we dive into details, here's a quick overview of what I cover today. So firstly, I will talk about my research journey, including what I have learned and what research I did. So after that, I'll be sharing how I transitioned from my academic life to industry life, including what kind of difficulties I have faced as a foreigner in the job hunting process in Thailand. And also, I will share about some of my professional experiences, including my role and notable projects that I have worked so far. And I also want to share some points on how to utilize the academic life to get the future career. So finally, we will have Q&A section. So now I will start with my research journey. As you may already know, I have our coursework, our research journey has structured into two phases: coursework and research. So in the first semester, I focused on coursework. So there I learned theory-based AI knowledge and worked on small projects that can strengthen my academic skill. And I also collect about the knowledge of what tools and technologies I can apply to the real-world application. So after I collected the required basic knowledge, I dedicated my time into research. So from the research work, I dive deeper into real-world applications and make contributions and make clear understanding of how can I bridge the gap between academic life and industrial life. So now I would like to share about what research I did. So the research I did is short-term sun coverage prediction using cloud movement pattern feature in PV system. So the main focus is to provide solution using AI to the real-world application. So in this research, I will explain about what kind of solution I give. So normally, on the cloudy days, the electricity output from the solar cell is fluctuated. Actually, to solve this problem, there is a flexible power control system. But the problem is that flexible power control system needs the information about the cloud coverage in advance, which means whether the cloud will cover the cell or not. So it needs to know that kind of information. So to provide that kind of information, I proposed a solution which can predict that cloud coverage 1 or 2 or 3 minutes ahead. So in that, to provide that solution, I collected sky images which contains cloud, and I extract cloud information from the sky images. And after that, my main contribution is in feature extraction. That feature contains the cloud coverage and cloud movement and so on. After that, I use those feature images and train the Google Net CNN model. And after that, that model can tell whether the cell will be covered by the cloud or not, 1 or 2 or 3 minutes ahead and so on. So this is the research I did in this TAIST-Science program. So after my research, it comes a time or challenging time like finding the suitable job. So, firstly, I analyzed my skills, what I have collected during my research. So, AI basic knowledge and intensive knowledge on image processing, neural network, and research skill. So, I started finding the relevant company that I can work on those kind of domains. But it is not easy to find a job in Thailand because there are two kinds of companies. One is Thai-based company and another is foreign-based company. But in finding the job in Thai-based company, one main difficulty is language barrier. They want the employee who can speak Thai frequently, but I'm not that kind of person. And so there is a government regulations that if they hire one foreigner, they need to hire 4 Thai local people. So this is very challenging. This is very challenging for me. And for the foreign-based company, most of the company wants the employees who already have the work experience, but I have 0 experience. So it is really difficult for me to get a job in Thailand. So finally, I get the job in 6 atomic company. My role is algorithm engineer, and the company provides AI solutions for real-time fashion. So there are 2 main responsibilities for my role. I need to train machine learning models, which train the fashion garment patterns, and after sometimes I need to write algorithms or optimize the algorithms to solve the AI-related solutions. So from this point, I can one interview in this company, I need to present my research what I did in master degree. As you may know, as I have represented, the research what I have done is training the models, and also the company requirements also like training machine learning models. So this aligns with my research work, and so they hire me. So finally, I want to talk about some of the points to boost career readiness. As I mentioned earlier, the company hired me because of my research work, and it aligns well. So my main point is that if we have, in the academic life, if we do the research work that is applicable in the real world, it is very easy to get a job. So, and there are some other points that we need to know technical skills relevant to the field, like AI, programming languages, analytics, and we need to have practical experience, and we need to understand the market trend, and so on. So that's all from me for today's presentation. So if you have questions.
Do you have any questions for our speaker today? No? So thank you for sharing your stories. I'm just wondering, so why you decided to stay in Thailand after you graduate from our program?
Okay, I have 0 experience, so it is really difficult to get a job in other countries. So that's why, but I graduated from Thailand, so it is a higher chance to get a job in Thailand other than other countries, so I decided to stay here.
Okay. I think this is one of our example that we have an international student decided to work in Thailand after they graduated and contribute to our economy. So thank you for that. Anyway, so thank you again for sharing your stories today. Thank you.
Thank you.